Now to continue our beginner succulent series, the third succulent on my list is the zebra plant, also known as the Zebra Haworthia, which is native to South Africa. In my experience, this succulent tends to grow very well in hot weather, and it has survived the brutal Phoenix, Arizona summers. One of the first succulents I have ever owned and one of the easiest to take care for. Pleasantly, it reminds me of a small aloe vera, and it grows baby pups around its base just like the aloe. If your sun is harsh, always place it in shade in the summer. And as many other succulents, fast draining soil is best, and do not leave it in standing water or it will rot. I've seen them grow indoors, which I haven't personally done, but it will be one of my experiments coming soon. Stay tuned for that video. For its ease of care and awesome looks, the zebra plant is another recommendation for beginners.